SEOscience.com.
Google is pushing more video-based content. And like you say, because it's a search engine and it's such a big search engine, I don't know if you could afford to ignore it. It's like, I mean, if you look at the top ranking pages on Google for any kind of like really competitive search term, you can guarantee on that page there's going to be a video of some kind. And there's a lot of benefits that the videos can bring, not only like accessibility features, but you can like visibly demonstrate like your expertise and your experience.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, and that has become so much more important now.
SEOscience.